Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys. I want to say welcome back. You know what I mean? I was away for about 5-6 days. Basically, I want to give you a little short story. It's just a quick story to remind us that, you know what I mean, life is really good, and I have to give thanks for life. And I want to big up all of the fans, big up every one of you guys. That's one of the first thing I want to do is big up all of the fans, all of the friends, everyone who supports Chef Ricardo. I want to say it's amazing, guys. I was a week away from the YouTube channel and bits and pieces, but it's not away. I was still doing some work, but I just get caught up in an interviewing with the cookbook. That's what it all about, the cookbook. The reason why they was like saying that the book was selling so fast is amazing to know that one Caribbean cookbook selling so really fast. So I get the phone call that Chef Ricardo, we want to interview you about your cookbook, because the book was selling so fast. So many people was buying the book. So many people leave their comments. Some people leave all different kind of comments, but the book still selling, and that's why people can't understand why the book was selling so fast. But anyway, it's Easter, and I'm happy and I'm excited, and I want to share my love to you guys. I want to give you all of my heart, and I want to say thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your time. It was just brilliant. I was a week off the YouTube channel, but I want to apologize to say sorry. That it was just a very emergency interview about my cookbook. But anyway, I want to say the book was selling, and a lot of people leave their comments, and a lot of people wanted to know why the book written in bits and pieces. So I want to say something to you guys. Many people doesn't know that this book even written before the YouTube channel, because the YouTube channel is just going off 2.5 years now, and that book is doing about 3-4 years ago. So and the book, some recipe inside of it was just like some things which I was starting off from when I just come in the country in the UK. So anyway, we want to say thank you so much for your time, and for your encouragement, for all who support Chef Ricardo, and just amazing. So big up you guys, and we got a lot more recipe coming out for you, and it's just brilliant. And thank you so much one more time again, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Bye bye.